Welcome to 35 Northridge Drive. This second-level condo-style home is located in the desirable adult community of Northridge Village in a quiet setting, yet convenient to Route 93 and 28. Come take a look inside and enjoy the tour. If you'd like to see this home in person, or if you're considering a move in or out of the suburbs north of Boston, give us a call at 617-275-3379. Learn more at TernulloRealEstate.com and like our Facebook page to stay in the know of other great properties coming on the market soon.